Absolutely fantastic looking gun,
Everybody
ladies
good?
and gentlemen.
You good?
There is a minimum on it because it is a limited run and it was custom engraved, but it's nowhere near what this potential should do, ladies and gentlemen. Who say $3,000 for it? I would $3,000. I would $3,000. Who say $1,000? Let everybody in. 1,000 got 1,100. 1,000 bid. I would 1,100. I would 1,100. 1,100. 1,200. 1,200. Sir, I would 1,200. 1,200. I would 1,200. I would 1,200. 1,200. I would 1,200. I would 12. 1,200. I would 1,200. I would 12. 1,200. I would 1,200. I would 12. I have 1,100 bid. I would 12. 1,200. I would 1,200. I would 1,200. 1,200. Sir, did you want to say 1,200 down on 1,200, 12 and 1,300, 1,300, 1,300, 1,300, 1,300, 1,300, 1,300, 13 and 14, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, 1,400, home, everybody 1400, 1400, everybody 1400, 1400, home, 14, 1500, 1500, home, everybody 1500, everybody 1500, 1500, home, everybody 1500, home, everybody 1500, 1500 and 1600, 1600, home, everybody 1600, 1600, home, everybody 1600, everybody 1600, 1600, home, everybody 1600, 1600, home, everybody 1600, 1600, home, everybody 1600, everybody 1600. I've got 1500 bid, everybody 1600, 1600, home, everybody 1600, 1600, home, everybody 1600, everybody 1600, 1600, home, everybody 1600, everybody 1600. I've got 1500 bid, everybody 1600, and it is sold. $1,500 right down front. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So this is a auto ordnance 1927 Thompson at 45 caliber. This is our standard model that looks just like the original from the 1920s, the gun that made the 20s roar, or the Chicago typewriter. It comes with a 20-round magazine. It's got the cuts compensator, the cooling fins, the walnut furniture. Really, really gorgeous historical firearm.
Absolutely great piece, ladies and gentlemen. What's it worth? We'll say $2,000 for it. Everybody $2,000, everybody $1,500. We'll say $1,000 for it. $1,000, everybody $1,000 home, everybody $700, everybody $700. We'll say $500. Let everybody in. $500, $500, everybody $500, everybody $500. On the Chicago typewriter, $500, everybody $500, home, everybody $500, everybody $500, 600, 600, 6.5, 6.5, everybody 6.5, 6.5, home, everybody 6.5, everybody 6.5, 6.5, home, everybody 6.5, everybody 6.5, 6.5, everybody 6.5, home, everybody 6.5. So help yourselves, guys. 6.5, 6.5, everybody 6.5, and only 600 bid. Everybody 6.5, 6.5, home, everybody 6.5, everybody 6.5, 6.5, home, everybody 6.5, and only 600 bid. Everybody 6.5. Help yourselves. 6.5, 6.5, home, everybody 6.5, 6.5, home, everybody 6.5. Nobody's interested in buying a Chicago typewriter. 6.5, home, everybody 6.5, 6.5, everybody 6.5, home, everybody 6.5, 6.5, home, everybody 6.5, everybody 6.5, 6.5, and it is sold. $600 right down in the front row. Round of applause. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.